Last night we had some heavy winds out here. I'm going to give you guys some footage of what took place. As you can see, the scaffolding has kind of toppled over and is leaning against the next building. A lot of people lost power due to the same wind. So, let's see what we got here. It's very cold out here as well, just so you guys know. This is the only section of scaffolding that is on this side of the building. Look like they were... I don't see any strappings that hold it in place though. They may not have the strappings. Don't look like the strappings were on the building. Let me see if I can see them. I don't see them, but just because I don't see them don't mean they're not there. Looks like there may be a few over here. But every so many feet you have to put strappings on the building. Look like they were on there, but they just weren't secured tight enough. And that covering probably helped us, didn't help keeping it on either. The covering probably made it like a wind tunnel and just pulled it all off. So that's going to be a pretty risky job here getting that down, because it's going to be a little tough. Take a quick walk around and see what you see. You got channel 7, channel 4, channel 5, they're all out here as well. I believe WBZ's over here. See all the debris from the wind blowing. And just do a quick walk around very quick and see what else we see. See what else we see in the city. Good morning, how are you? Alright, not too bad. As you can see, it's very windy out here. Very windy. I don't know what the protocol is for construction work in windy conditions, but there should be a protocol for that. I know crane operators can't use their cranes in heavy winds, but I'm not too sure about like scaffolding and lifting materials. I'm not too sure. They must have a regulation on that. I'm pretty sure they do. Yeah, so this looks like they're gonna put a hold on this construction work for a little bit till everybody comes down here and figure out what they're gonna do. I'm pretty sure OSHA's gonna get involved in this one. Anytime you have some kind of falling of debris like that, OSHA has to get involved because it's a safety standard. It's a safety measure. Just want to give you guys a little bit more footage before I head up out of here. we're on Saint Alphonsus Street. Not too sure what number that is. It might be 95. It looks like it's 95. Looks like she hit a parked vehicle, but that's not good either. There's no damage to it, but still. Okay, I'll give you one more view of this thing over here, and let's see if we can. Looks like it could be in danger of falling more, because it's only hanging on that tree up there. And it's very, very cold and windy out here today. Very cold and windy, which is that's cold and windy. Alright guys, just want to give you a little footage of the scaffolding. It's going to take a while for them to clean that up. The inspectors got to examine it and all that kind of stuff like that. But there's a lot of loose parts is hanging up there, which is very dangerous cleaning that out of there. I'm not going to hang around because it's cold out here. And I say it's cold, it is cold. Till next time guys, Nez Porter.